Hypeuniquenet review. Pricing explained, what you get for your money. If you're hunting for streetwear or hype drops and you found Hypeuniquenet advertising rare sneakers or limited tees at break prices, you want to slow down. Most people get this wrong by assuming a deal is legit without verifying. Hypeuniquenet claims to offer collectible apparel and footwear in luxury hype categories. Prices might look attractive compared to brand direct or retailer retail pricing, but authenticity, condition, return policy and seller reliability can matter far more than the number on the tag. What you get: a chance at limited edition items and possible savings if everything is legitimate. What you give up: a risk, potential for counterfeit goods, misleading descriptions, nullified warranties and difficulty with returns. If the item isn't genuine or service is poor, the deal becomes costly. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Check the item's market retail price and compare side by side. If the price is dramatically lower, ask why. Step 2. Verify seller details, reviews, ratings, authenticity policy, real photos. Step 3. Factor in shipping, duties and return cost, especially when buying internationally. Step 4. Estimate how much you worth the piece. If it's a collector item, you may keep it long term. If it's casual wear, value drops if quality is weak. You won't believe what happens next if you skip authenticity. What you think is a limited edition sneaker for half price, and later discover it's a knockoff or missing original box. Resale value plummets and you're stuck with what you paid. The surprising truth: with hype items, verifying authenticity is more valuable than a low headline price. In conclusion, Hypeuniquenet may offer opportunities, but only if you're confident about the item's authenticity, know the seller and understand all costs. If you're unsure, a lesser brand, but verified retailer may offer better value. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more street fashion pricing explained and what you're really getting for your money.